Really wish my Spotify would get it together. I have my other lash on. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today is day 4 of tutorial week and we are going to be recreating this fiery matte look using the Nomad Cosmetics Berlin Underground palette. So if you're ready, then I'm ready. So let's get started. Before we get started, I do want to say welcome to all of our new family members out there. And in case you're not familiar with me yet, my name is Melissa Leah Garrett and I'm a cruelty-free makeup and beauty reviewer. I'm a makeup enthusiast, a plus-size beauty, and a PNH and ITP fighter. If you'd like to know more about those two diseases, there are videos down below in my playlist that you could check out. Also, while you're at it, go ahead and hit the subscribe button to join the fam and hit that notification bell. Therefore, you know when I'm posting, even though I mainly post on Tuesdays and Fridays. Also, give this video a like while you're at it. So today's video, I am recreating this all matte look from one of our unicorn squad members, and her name is Chelsie Gainey. She used one of my favorite palettes, the Nomad Cosmetics Berlin Underground palette, to make this look, and it's nice, it's fiery, it's a great look. A little bit about Chelsie: she does have a channel here on YouTube and it currently has 406 subscribers, and she also has a Instagram page which currently has 3,000 followers. That is amazing. She has more than me. You go, girl. I will link all her information down in the description box and in my comments. I will pin it so you guys can give her a follow on Instagram, subscribe to her channel, and show her some love. This particular tutorial that we are going to be looking at today, she actually filmed on May 14th of this year. And like I stated before, she used the Nomad Cosmetics Berlin Underground palette. I do believe she won this in a giveaway, if I'm not mistaken. And she wanted to try it out. Her video is also a full review of the palette, so she also does swatches of the palette as well as the tutorial. She does the tutorial first, then she does swatches. And I will link the video down in the description box and in the comments so you guys can check out the full video if you want to. But with all that said, let's go ahead and get started. Just like all my other videos this week, I did went ahead and prepped and primed my eyes with my Gerard Cosmetics Clean Canvas base. And you're probably wondering, Melissa, you're not out of that yet? No, because a little of it goes a long way. I'm really stoked that we are going into the Berlin Underground palette from Nomad Cosmetics. This is one of my favorite palettes of theirs. And let's go ahead and get started. I did have to turn the volume up just a little bit because she is very soft-spoken in her videos, but it's not to the point where it's going to blare you guys out.
Welcome back, unicorns, to another video. In today's video, I'm doing another palette review, and this one's this palette by Nomad, I think that's how you say it. And this is what the carton looks like. And if you want to see my review on this palette, stay tuned.
I love it how she's a unicorn lover like me.
So let's get started.
All right.
This is again is what packaging carton looks like. I feel the box because that's how I like to store them. I don't know why.
I'm the same way, girl. I like keeping the boxes sometimes too.
Palette looks like little paper. And these are what the colors look like. And I love how if you can see, the indents in them are like skull heads, and it's really cool. So, and there's like a big mirror, which is pretty cool. Well, I'm gonna do like a red furry look.
Woo!
Exactly how it's gonna go, but that's what I'm planning on doing, like the reds and the yellows in this palette. And that's what we're doing. So I'm gonna get 2 fluffy brushes that I always like to use to put the color on. These are 2 brushes I like to use. One without product on it and one with the product on it. And I'm gonna start out with this color right here. This one down at the bottom. And I'm not gonna try to pronounce that because
I'm the same way with some of these shades. I'm just all like, huh?
and I'm gonna put this in the crease.
Okay. All right. It looks like she went in and she took the shade Orange Drop. I guess that's how it's pronounced. And she went and put that in the crease. So we're going to go ahead and do that first. Let me get my brushes. Of course, I didn't get them ready. So I'm going to start with my favorite BH Cosmetics number 9 brush. And let's do this. All right, that shade is down. Let's go ahead and see what the next step is.
So I'm going to try this red shade. Right here. And I'm just going to put this shade on the lid.
Alrighty, the next shade that she went into is this shade Chelsie. Oh, Melissa. This shade right here, and then she put that all over the lid. I am going to use my Sigma E25 blending brush to do that. Alrighty, this is what we got going on so far. Let's go ahead and see what the next step is.
So, I am going to see what Luminous, one of these yellows look like. I don't know exactly which one to pick. I'm going to use it to the moment because I'm light one first. Like this. Sorry, I'm not pronouncing those names. I'm going to put that in the lower lash.
Okay, she is going to go in with the shade Helden right here and place that on the lower lash line. Okay, she did end up going into Poor But Sexy and putting that on top of Helden because it was getting a little bit too light. And then she took the brush that she had been using to blend with and blended them together and kind of bring everything down, which was a good idea because it was starting to look a little bit separate-ish, if that makes any sense at all whatsoever. So just doing that just kind of blended everything together. I just went in with my Sigma brush that I used on for Chelsie and put no extra product on it and just blended everything together. So let's go ahead and see what's next.
Okay, the only white shade like this would highlight is this one. I don't know if it's white, but white or glittering. I'm gonna try that in the corner. Inner corner and wow. I always like to use my finger because I think it works better for me.
Okay, I'm not going to use my finger because I got fat fingers. She went in with the shade Krutzenberg right here and put that on her inner corner in her brow bone. All right, this is what we got going on. Let's go ahead and see what is next.
So I'm going to go and do my eyelashes off camera, come back, show you the final look, and then we'll start swatches.
We're done. Okay, so she went in, did her lashes, and that was all that she did. I am going to go off camera, put liner down, do my lashes, and I think I'm going to put a little bit of a darker color on the outer corner and a little bit in the crease to kind of give this some kind of definition. And this is the final look. I did end up going back into the Berlin Underground palette, and in the shade Hansa right here, I did use that to kind of deepen the outer corner and the crease a little bit, just to give it a little bit of definition. Not too much, because I didn't want to take away from the overall look that Chelsie did. I did go in with a brown liner for my lid and my waterline, popped on my scarlets. And yeah, I actually like this look, and it's very different for me because it's a matte look. I'm not used to having matte, an all matte look on my lids. I normally have like a shimmer on my lid, but I actually really do like this. It's really nice. She did pair it with a nude lip, but I actually paired it with more of like a coppery lip. I went in first with the Gerard Cosmetics lip pencil and Mudslide and lined my lips and kind of like filled them in a little bit. Then I took the shade Pretty Penny in their Color Your Smile gloss and put it on top of it, and it looks gorgeous. I just got this not too long ago in PR, and it is a beautiful shade. Why was I sleeping on this? And it's so opaque. This was just one swipe on my lips. It's amazing. So I will put all of Chelsie's information down in the description box, and in my comment section I will pin it so you guys can subscribe to her YouTube channel and give her a follow on Instagram. I will also put the full video, the link to the full video, in there as well, so you guys can see the full tutorial and the swatches that she did in her overall review on the Berlin Underground palette. I do want to thank Chelsie for allowing me to recreate this look. She is just so amazing. She's so bright and she's so fun, and I love her. She's part of the unicorn gang, so yeah, you gotta love it. And that is all that I have for you guys today. Don't forget, all of my social media handles will be down in the description box. Come on over. We have fun on those pages as well. I do not, however, have a Twitter account, so if you happen to see one with my face and this gorgeous smile, report it because it's fake. Also, all of the products that I did use to finish out the rest of this look will be down in the description box as well. I love y'all so much, and I will see y'all tomorrow. Bye! Babe, I finally got it all out. Seriously think these lashes are on their last leg. I think they can get one more look out of them. I really like this lip combo. This gloss is gorgeous. You want a kiss, babe?